pH change. Comparing the pH of strong and weak acid solutions of same concentration. Our aim here is to compare pH of strong and weak acid of same concentration using pH paper or universal indicator. Theory: the strong acids dissociate almost completely, while weak acids dissociate very less. Hence, the concentration of hydrogen ions in the solution of strong acids is more than those of weak acids. Hence, pH of strong acid solution is less than that of weak acid of the same concentration. To perform this experiment, the apparatus required are test tubes with test tube stand and 10 ml measuring cylinder. The chemicals required are 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid, 0.05 molar sulfuric acid, 0.1 molar acetic acid, 0.05 molar oxalic acid, universal indicator or pH paper strips, and standard pH color chart. Let us perform the experiment. Label 4 clean test tubes as A, B, C, D. Take about 5 ml of hydrochloric acid in test tube A. Take about 5 ml of sulfuric acid in test tube B. Take about 5 ml of acetic acid in test tube C. Take about 5 ml of oxalic acid in test tube D. Dip a strip of pH paper in each solution for few seconds. Or add 2 to 3 drops of universal indicator into each of the solution and shake well. Observe the color developed on the pH paper or in the solution. What do you observe? The pH paper in test tube A turns red in color. The pH paper in test tube B turns orange-red in color. The pH paper in test tube C turns yellow in color. The pH paper in test tube D turns greenish-yellow in color. Or the solution in test tube A turns red in color. The solution in test tube B turns orange-red in color. The solution in test tube C turns yellow in color. The solution in test tube D turns greenish-yellow in color. On comparing these colors with a standard pH color chart, we can say the pH of the solution in test tube A is 1. The pH of the solution in test tube B is 2. The pH of the solution in test tube C is 5. The pH of the solution in test tube D is 6. Observation table. Precautions to be taken. Label the test tubes properly. Do not mix the solutions. Conclusion. From the observations, it is evident that the pH of strong acids like hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid is lower than pH of weak acids like acetic acid and oxalic acid of same concentration, because strong acids have more hydrogen ions than weak acids.